Hi, we are Anna and John Meister, and we have a second grader and a 4K student who are enrolled at the Augustine Academy.
One of the things that we love most about school is how much our kids love to go. They're genuinely excited to get up in the morning, get ready, and go to school for drop-off. We're just thankful that we send them somewhere we know that they are known and that they're loved.
Something that attracted us to the school was the learning method. The Charlotte Mason learning philosophy is one that really fosters a love of learning. So the children are really encouraged to build a relationship with the ideas that they are presented with. And the goal is not to learn something just to get a grade on a test. The goal is the growth of the child and for the child to learn to think for themselves. Additionally, the hybrid model has really benefited our family. So our kids go to school 3 days a week, and then 2 days they're at home learning with us. And it's just been really cool to be more invested in their education. We get to see what they're learning, we get to see where they're strong, and we get to see where they could maybe use a little more help. So it's really been a great thing for our family relationships, and I love that it has helped slow the pace of life just a bit.
We have been really thankful to join a community that's so supportive and welcoming. We feel like we're supported in our goals to disciple our children and raise them to know Christ. If you are interested in knowing more, please consider joining us for an open house. Times and dates are available on the TAA website.